Pasta overcooked. I accidentally overcooked the pasta while making dinner. It became too soft. I left the pasta boiling for too long, and when I tasted it, it was mushy. I felt a bit disappointed because I wanted it to be just right. I learned that timing is crucial when cooking pasta. My mom helped me strain it and run cold water over it to stop it from cooking further. It didn't taste as good as usual, but it was still edible. Now, I set a timer when cooking pasta to make sure I don't overcook it again. I also pay more attention to the cooking instructions on the packet. Making mistakes helps me learn, and I'll do my best to cook the pasta perfectly next time. I'll remember to be more careful with the cooking time to enjoy delicious pasta.